Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. To any of you that you notice that your oil light came on, red oil light came on, or a message that says low oil pressure, we will explain why you should never drive your car guys. We will explain the consequences here and something that can easily cost you $5,000 to $10,000. Otherwise, if you fix it on time, it can cost you just a couple $100 guys. So let's explain what we're talking about and what can cause to your engine if you see that oil light on and you keep driving guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you guys. Also, if you need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and parts from. So let's explain what we have specifically here guys. This is a Hyundai engine. Whole light came on, and according to the person that we got the car from guys, they kept driving until we died. And you will be surprised, what happened there. Now the problem is that the oil pump failed guys. A few things can cause oil light to come on. One is a bad oil filter. Maybe the oil filter is malfunctioning, not letting enough oil come through. Number two, it could be just a bad oil pressure sensor in some cases and not reading correctly. Number three, it could be a plugged up oil pump, the screen right here. Number four, it could be a bad oil pump itself. In our case, we have a bad oil pump guys. It didn't pick enough oil, and what happens as a result guys, the engine is not getting enough oil. The bearings are not getting enough oil. And check out the rod bearing guys. Rod bearing is completely shot. And that's the pieces of the rod bearing, completely guys shot. And you can see that piece of the rod. This is just the rod guys. It snapped the rod in two guys, and as a result, one little piece of rod even flew guys to the second cylinder, and cracked the engine block. Let me show you. It cracked the engine block right there. So that engine is completely done guys, to the point that we need to replace engine block, crankshaft, we need to replace rod bearings, and that's getting expensive to the point that it's almost cheaper to get a new engine guys. And you can see the oil pan full of shavings guys, and practically that's the bearing there. We have the piece of the rods of the connecting rod there as well. So guys, never drive your car if you see the oil light on. What you need to do in that case, I'll recommend change the oil, drain the oil, put new filter, put a manual gauge, start it for only a couple seconds, see if it has oil pressure. If it has no oil pressure, turn it off and look for the problem immediately guys, such as it could be a bad oil pump, it could be the timing chain driving the oil pump in some cases that fails, or a tensioner for the timing chain, and that can cause that as well. But if you don't do it right guys, you will need the engine completely rebuilt, or you will need a new engine. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this problem out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.